Welcome to SV Union High School and Junior College. Today we will see Standard 11 Skill Oriented Practical number 2, which is on HTML. Create a web page with the following specifications. First, you have to display the heading, that is application form is your heading, in highest heading with the center alignment. That means this application form heading you have to align to center. Accept the name standard 11th or 12th with only one selection choice and submit the form. This assignment is based on a form, so you have to use certain controls related to form. Let's see the demo of this practical. Welcome students. Now see the demo of your SOP2 in the HTML. Now as per the slip, you have to create a form in this. So first start with opening of the notepad application which is used to type the program. So here you will start with the doc type HTML, close the bracket, then HTML head title of the program is program 2 because second program we are going to create slash title and slash head. So this is your heading section. Then body, I am giving the BG color as pink. If you want to give the text color, you can give the text color also. So the attribute used is text, where text color I am giving as blue. Now, as per the slip, display heading application form in highest heading with center alignment. So here, to create a form, always you have to write form method is equal to post. This is the main attribute which is used to create a form. So first display the heading in the highest font size and alignment will be center. So we are using H1 align is equal to center and the name of the form is application form. So you will write the name of the form as application form and then close it with slash center. Put BR to come on the new line. Accept the name standard 11th or 12th with only one choice and submit the form. Now let's start with accepting the name. So here you will write the field name as name and the tag used is input type is equal to text. So you are going to insert a name in the text box. So you will write this type as text, name is equal to name and size which you will write as 30. So here one more attribute we will write, that is placeholder, where you can write enter your full name, so that whenever a program will be run, then user will get the information as enter your full name, so that user can enter the full name. Then standard 11th or 12th, only one selection. So here I am writing standard. Now for single selection you will use the radio button, that is either 11th or 12th. So here the input tag is used, that is input type is equal to, now your control name will be radio because radio button is always used for the single selection. Now name I am writing as R1 and by default selection, for the by default selection I am writing as a checked. So here I am writing 11th. Again th is in uppercase upper side, so I am using superscript and slash superscript tag. So this is for 11th. Now for 12th if you want to write, so give the space by using NBSP semicolon. This tag is used to give the non-blank space, to give the space between the two letters. Again input type is equal to radio and name is equal to R1 only. Why your name is R1? Because at a time you are going to select only one button. So for single selection, always remember that name must be same in the radio button. So here you will write 12th now. So 12th again subscript, superscript, th and slash superscript and then br. So 11th and 12th, only one selection is there. Now submit the information. So input type is equal to submit, name is equal to submit, and value is equal to submit. Always submit button comes with the reset. So input type is equal to reset, which is used to clear the information. Name is equal to reset, and value is also reset. After this, you have to close with the form tag with slash form slash body and slash HTML. So here, this is the program. Second SOP in your HTML by using the form. So after body tag, always start with the form method is equal to post, where h1 align equal to center. It is used to give the alignment in the center with the application form, and then slash h1. Accept the name with the input type equal to text, name is equal to name, size is 30, and placeholder attribute is used to write to, and user will come to know what to enter over there. Then for standard, input type is equal to radio, name is R1 and checked. Now here 11 standard or 12 standard you are going to check. That means only one selection will be there at a time. So either 11th or 12th you will select. Input type equal to submit, name submit and value submit, which is used to submit the information, and input type reset, name reset and value reset, which is used to clear the information. Slash form slash body and slash HTML. Now save this with the name program2.html in all files and save. After that, minimize it. So this is the program 2. Right click, open with Internet Explorer to get the output. Now see, this is application form which is behind. Enter your full name. So here you can write your full name, then standard 11th or 12th, select one at a time. See, at a time only one gets selected, and then submit. So that information get submitted. So this is called as a form.